Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you having an issue with you have an unidentified network on your Windows 10 computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Go to settings and go to network and internet. If airplane mode is listed over here guys, if you are using laptop, you just have an airplane mode in here guys. You just want to go on airplane mode tab here, and right side you just need to turn that off. You just need to turn it off guys. For you just need to, hopefully that can able to resolve your problem. The next step, you just want to go to search menu and type device manager. Open it, and in here expand the network adapter section. You just need to select your network guys and right click on it and click update driver. Search automatically for driver, click on it, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. You can also try search for updated drivers on Windows Update. You can also try, click on it, and if anything listed over here in Windows Update, anything listed over here, you just need to click on download and install it. That's be cool guys, everything will updated, and close out of here. That is updating on the back side, and let's move on to the third step guys. For that, you need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it. In troubleshooting, click on additional troubleshooters and click on network connection troubleshoot to run the troubleshooter guys. If any unidentified network issues, it can be detecting problems for you guys. Troubleshoot my connection to internet. Close the troubleshooters and close out of here also, and let's move on to the third step guys. Go to search menu, fourth step, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator over here and click yes. Now in command prompt, you just need to type ip config space slash flush dns ipconfig space flash flush dns. Press enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed to the DNS resolver cache. Next, you need to type netcache space winsock space reset guys. Press enter. Successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and restart your computer guys. After restarting your PC, if you hopefully that can able to resolve, but if you not get resolved it, we can also try resetting our network adapter guys. Go to search menu and type network reset. Network reset option over here, click on it. This will remove and reinstall all our network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings guys. You might need to reinstall other networking softwares afterwards, such as VPN client and software switches and virtual switches guys. Your PC will be restarted. Click on reset now and click yes, reset. Now that's get resetted guys. Wait for it. You are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Close out of here and go ahead and restart manually guys. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problem guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.